Oh, no more than that.
Look at that, you're gonna shake with me. Even with your bad paw. Even with your bad paw.
I'll send this to you. Spent too long without you. He's stuck in Superior for a whole week.
Yeah.
He chased their housekeepers out of the house.
Did he really?
Well, according to the teenager, I think.
You must have been bad people, huh? You do that.
I
You
doubt it.
do that.
I'm sure they were fine. Miss Christie misses you.
Oh.
They do live in the moment.
You're gonna go be a California doggy, huh? You can learn to surf. That water's kind of cold there, Jim.
It's freezing.
Right?
It's freezing.
You gotta go live in San Diego.